It's not only about what you don't know. It's about what you do know and what you're willing to pass on to somebody else. Future generations.
Do you know anything about baobab trees? Yeah, baobab trees.
The light that makes the darkness disappear. The shadow that brings a different perspective on whatever it is that seems logical. The sound that makes the silence not just an empty space, but a cradle in which wisdom can show its true identity. Meet Angela. And Angela has been a high school teacher for years. It's in her veins. She's one of those teachers, well, students just love her. Colleagues do too. And today is a special day because Angela has been asked to step up and to become the new head of her high school. And that's why later today, Angela will open the new semester with a speech. The opening speech will not take place in an everyday classroom. No. Angela will speak in the school's old lecture hall. It is nice. In fact, it's very nice, and it's the dean's pride and glory, but it is not equipped at all. And that's why earlier today, Barry, the school's tech director, brought in a set of speakers, some lighting, and an EWD lavalier set. It is flexible, it is stable. It offers great audio transmitted through a solid UHF connection, and above all, it is extremely easy to use. Now, the cool thing about EWD is that Barry can set up the system in no time using the Smart Assist app on his smartphone or his tablet. Barry can prepare Angela's lav mic from wherever he wants within range. Once he's set up the receiver and transmitter, Barry doesn't even have to touch them anymore. He can simply go to the Smart Assist app on his phone or tablet and take it from there. A very nice feature EWD has to offer is the auto scan. It's a very simple procedure, and the Smart Assist app will take you through it step by step. Auto scan will help you to find the best frequencies to work on. Just choose auto scan in the menu and do as the app tells you. It'll be done in no time. Also, Barry can set up the receiver, connect it to the app, leave the receiver behind, and go to wherever Angela is to prepare herself. Even without the transmitter necessarily being in range of the receiver, Barry can link the transmitter to the receiver and check its status through the app, bridging receiver and transmitter that are out of each other's sight.
So, baobab trees. Well, baobab trees are believed to shed shadow and wisdom.
Gain control, auto scan, manual frequency setting, firmware updates, hooking up different microphones. You can name and allocate colors to different channels. There's a battery status check and a range indicator. There's a wizard that guides you through an optimized multi-channel setup. And there's a support hub section with all the little helpers you may need. Yeah, you can even find films and tutorials in the support hub, taking you through procedures, adding tips and tricks. It's all there. And with the Smart Assist app, you literally have all the power to control the system within the palm of your hand. By the way, in case you forgot to charge your phone, or in case you lost your tablet, you could always use the buttons on the receiver to navigate through the menus and to control the system. Another cool feature EWD has to offer is a mute switch. And you may think, mute switch? A mute switch is not new as such, but where most systems come with a mute switch on the transmitter, hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. You don't hear me, right? Hello, hello. Right? On the transmitter. EWD offers a mute button on the receiver side as well. So you got both. The receiver side is linked to the app. So if I mute my microphone with this switch, I can overrule it with the app. Here we go. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. It's back. It's back. Cool, right? So basically, if you want to get rid of the mute button on the transmitter, you can simply deactivate the entire function on the receiver unit or the app. Other than that, the system can place up to 90 channels alongside of each other, each of them transmitting solid sound in the UHF spectrum.
Seeds that haven't sprouted yet. So every student in our school can grow into a big, strong baobab tree, shedding shadow and wisdom.
You could say EWD combines the best out of two worlds, offering superb audio, reliable transmission, and great ease of use. Okay, seems like Barry and Angela are good to go. Barry can final check the transmitter and focus on the things he needs to do, and on unmuting the microphone for Angela when the time is right. Where Angela, she can just focus on jumping in to do her magic. If you want more technical input and backgrounds, check out our introductory film on EWD, Evolution Wireless Digital, evolving with you.